Are you building the future of the Fraser Valley? From the demanding farm work in Abbotsford to the big construction projects in Mission, you need more than just a truck. You need a reliable partner. This is the 2025 Ford F-550 Super Duty chassis cab, and it's engineered to be the backbone of your business. Finished in a crisp, professional Oxford white, this F-550 is a blank canvas, ready for your specific needs. Under the hood lies the heart of its capability, the 6.7-liter Power-Stroke V8 diesel engine matched with a 10-speed automatic 10R140 transmission. This powerhouse combination includes a transmission power takeoff provision, making it ready to run your essential equipment right from the start. This truck is specified for serious work. It's equipped with the high-capacity trailer tow package, a factory trailer brake controller, and trailer sway control, giving you the confidence to haul heavy loads. The 4.3 ratio limited slip axle, combined with BSW Max Trac tires, ensures you have the traction you need, while the 19,500-pound GVWR Package and the Payload Plus Package Upgrade 1 means it's built to handle immense weight. For protection on rugged job sites, it also comes with skid plates. Step up with the platform running boards into a cabin built for the workday. The interior features a durable Medium Dark Slate Active X with a versatile 40-20-40 seat configuration and a tough black vinyl floor covering. But it's not all work and no tech. Stay connected and in command with the Sync 4 8-inch screen. Check vehicle stats on the 4.2-inch productivity screen and enjoy the convenience of power door locks, power windows, and remote keyless entry. The smart design continues with an interior work surface perfect for a laptop or paperwork. Plus, with 6 upfitter switches, customizing your controls is simple. We get asked all the time, what makes the F-550 so capable for demanding jobs? The capability is engineered into every component. It starts with the immense power from the 6.7-liter Power-Stroke V8 diesel. That power is backed by a robust 19,500-pound GVWR package and the Payload Plus Package Upgrade. It's ready for any attachment with 6 factory upfitter switches and a transmission power takeoff provision. For towing, you have the high-capacity trailer tow package and a trailer brake controller. And for stability, it features advanced Trac with roll stability control. It's a complete system designed for work. This F-550 is also equipped for our Fraser Valley climate, with an engine block heater and a PTC supplemental heater. Safety is paramount, with an SOS post-crash alert system, an exterior backup alarm, and a rear-view camera and prep kit. You're also covered with a 5-year, 100,000-kilometer powertrain warranty and 24-hour roadside assistance. Come check it out at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Automall, right here in Abbotsford. Book your test drive today and discover just how far you